Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template infographic in just 5 minutes. Plus, you can buy this infographic from my Patreon link in the description below. So the first thing you're going to do is open up your slide and you're going to insert circle, a very large one. Put it into the middle and the center of your slide and remove its outline, duplicate it and decrease its size and make that duplicated circle smaller. Now we're going to go to its shapes and we're going to insert a rectangle like this, remove its outline if you want and duplicate it and then make one of them rotated to the right side and one of them to the left side. Similarly, we're going to select both of the shapes and arrange them like this and remove the outline and make sure that their tip is not showing. Select both of them and then merge them from union. We're gonna just rotate it like this, give it an outline so that we can see the shapes apart, and we're gonna like make it totally straight. Next, we're gonna duplicate it and then we're gonna just put it right here. Similarly, we're going to duplicate it again and again, and we're going to just arrange it in the circle with equal distances and equal like directions. Yeah, so let's just duplicate this and make this one straighter. Let's make this one more rotating. Duplicate this shape and we're going to move it right here. And this is going to be our last shape. So here you go. Next, we're going to select all that we have onto the slide, go shape format, merge, and click on fragment. Unselect these 6 shapes that we have that are main shapes, remove all of the other shapes. Select all of your shapes and go to shape format, remove the outline, give it them shadow on the 5th number. And next, we're going to select them individually and we're going to give each one of them a separate color that we are going to use in this video. Here you go. So the colors I'm going to use are red, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, and purple. Next, we're going to insert about 6 to 7 icons. If you want, you can also use 7 for the one that is extra. You can just put it into the middle circle space right there. But I'm just going to use 6. So let's just insert 6 circles icons. We're going to change their fill to white and then we're going to one by one put them in each of the shape. Here you go. Next, what you're going to do is make sure that all of them are in equal distances and then all of them have like same distance between them and are of same size but are in the middle and the center of your shape. So we're gonna just individually customize them. Next, we're gonna insert a text box into the middle space where there is circle, and we're gonna insert text, change its font. The font I'm gonna use is medium, and we're just gonna put it right into the middle of our slide and the center of our slide. Change the fill of the top color if you want, and for the bottom text box, you can also change its color to gray because this looks more like aesthetic and more minimalistic. We're gonna insert a text box in which we're gonna insert our text, anything related to each of the symbol, but you're gonna use this as content text. Right now I'm gonna use the placeholder lorem ipsum dollar text and we're gonna insert numberings for each one of the like the shape. So this text is for the first shape and we're going to give it the same fill as we used in the shape. So the first of the like the shape have the color red. And similarly, I'm going to give it the color of red. We're going to duplicate it and then customize everything. Similarly, we're going to change our numbering and then we're going to change the color of the number and then duplicate it again and put that duplicated shape and text next to the same shape we are gonna write about in it. So let's just make it real quick, and I know that you might have learned how to do it, so let's just duplicate them first. Next, we're gonna just like change their fields, the text fields. Here you go. Let's just decrease the size of our text boxes a bit as well, so that we can make space and make it look more nicer. But be sure to align the text boxes well. For those that are onto the right side, we're going to align them to the left side. And for those that are onto the left side, we're going to align them to the right side. So this is the final result. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. You can support me by joining my programs and Patreon link.